They roll over on a back. Right, so the other half, 50. Right, you.
They hold their wing and they put them downstairs and on the carrier. Sorry. This is
Kung boleh nggak asal kesurut ya?
this is the landing hook. The landing hook.
Oh, oke.
And this one is for the wheel. And this you hold it have another hook and the engine. This one is to stop the plane. The other one is to start the plane. Just like a slingshot. And these are bullet Japanese bullet holes. This one here. This one. And this one. These are bullet holes. And on the other side you can see the stars. That's the blue one and the white one.
This is the wing.
This is the wing of Avenger. Dive bomber, the first dive bomber. And then, but the ones that end the war are Douglas dive bombers. They also US dive bombers. They are in the war because they sang 4 Japanese cars at the middle. This is the wheel where? And this one can follow the wing. And then they bend the wings so that the wheel will stay on the wheel and lift up the plane.
So what?
I mean, the wheel will stay on they bend the wings so that the wheel
Or wheel will touch the ground.
is and lift up the plane.
To protect the prop from
Oh, oke, oke.
13 feet diameter.
To lift the plane up.
And this is the rubber tank.
rubber fuel tank.
And this one is, the Americans name this one the Whispering Dead.
Whispering Dead.
And the other one they call it the Folktail Devil.
Why do they call it whispering?
That's nickname. Nickname.
Didn't hear it.
Yeah, Whispering Dead.
Coming.
And that's the SPD one that end the war.
The what?
The SPD, Douglas dive bombers that end the
Douglas dive bomber.
SPD. Douglas dive bombers. At the tail is the hook. This is the hook. And this for the life raft. And that's the air brake. They put the bomb and hang it out of the plane. Thank you,